Hi everyone, this is Gerald Lim from AAG Landed Dynamic Alliance. Right now I'm actually over at this landed estate in District 11, a long district called Jalan Pandan. So I was just thinking that perhaps I take this opportunity while I'm here to share with you some interesting case studies for landed redevelopment. So I'm sure that most of you out there would probably have seen very old, very rundown landed houses, perhaps a pair of semi-D, which is very suitable to be redeveloped into a brand new house, for example. And for the potential of this semi-D, perhaps it could be actually redeveloped into a detached house by itself, meaning one side of the semi-D will be broken away to become a detached house after redevelopment. But what happens actually after the redevelopment works is done and the remaining semi-D, which is actually not yet developed? So according to the URA guidelines, the remaining undeveloped house itself will still remain as a semi-D. And coincidentally, I'm here today to do some groundwork, so I happen to have this one case study whereby we have such a redevelopment process. So if you are actually have the access to master plan, instant pro, HProp, you can actually Google this address called number 7 Jalan Pandan. And if you're looking at the Google Maps itself, perhaps at this moment of time, you will probably see that this number 7 Jalan Pandan is undergoing redevelopment works. From originally a single-story semi-D house, which was a pair together with number 5, but 7 has been broken away to become a detached house by itself, and number 5 is still remaining as a single story as itself, so it's still considered a semi-D. And right now, just look behind me. So this house itself behind me that is fully built up is actually number 7, while the house at the back itself, the single story, is a semi-D with the boundary wall still still like a semi-D itself. So I hope this is something that that may interest you. To find out more about landed properties, you can actually give me a call on my mobile phone, which is 9278 7772. I hope to hear from you very soon.
AAG, the #1 top division in orange tea and Thai.